Today we're going to unbox and set up the DreameTech robot vacuum model D9. Hello everyone, this is Rick with Cybernetics. We've got the DreameTech robot vacuum here, D9. We're going to start a little unboxing. Once we do that, we'll walk through the application setup and then put the robot into action. This is what I would consider a smart robot because it has a mapping function in the app that allows you to actually map out the house so that each room can be individually vacuumed. Got all the manuals and stuff that come with it. Main unit. This is the charging unit. This is the mopping unit because it's also has a mopping function. A little storage for the water that you put in it. You're only supposed to put water. Do not add detergent, what it says. It has one side brush. Electric cord. Plug it into the side of the unit. This is the vacuum container for the debris. Slips in and out easily. Also has a holder for the brush cleaning tool. Filter is on this side. It's off like that. Easily slips in. You have to put the brush on. Oh, that's the bottom of the unit. There's no extra brush or filter. So this is everything you get with the unit, the instructions, the charging dock station, the cord, the unit itself, and that's it. That's the unboxing. Okay, once you go to the app, you're going to open it up and you'll have to create an account. Select your country of region. Now we're going to sign in. Signed in. Use location while in the app. Now we'll go up to the plus icon over here and to select add a new device. Next, select allow. Select your Wi-Fi network. Searching for devices. Connect to the hotspot. It finally connected. You know the routine. It had to connect to the hotspot on the unit itself. So a little bit of back and forth, but it finally found the Wi-Fi connection. So the first thing you'll do after you've connected the robot to the app is create a new room. In this case, we're just going to select living room and say OK. Click next. You can name your robot whatever you want. Now it's loading. Confirm the update. And then update the firmware. We'll let that update and then we'll come back in. Okay, so we have a successful update of the firmware. Now we can start, I guess, running the vacuum.
Start cleaning.
Okay, we don't want to do that right here, so I'm going to have to move it down. So we're going to hit play and have it map the room. To get its bearings. Scanning the room. What's neat about this is it's going to map the entire house. It's also going to divide it up into rooms. After it gets done mapping the house, you can put up your room barriers. You can put up no-go zones. So pretty slick. All right, that concludes our demonstration of the DreameBot D9. If you have any questions or comments, please post them below. Hope you will subscribe and share. This supports our efforts in helping others with technology, and have a great and wonderful automation day.